You're building something awesome in Biela, you're in the zone, and then boom, token limits reached. Frustrating, right? Well, Biela just rolled out a pay-as-you-go option that finally fixes this. But here's the catch that's tripping everyone up. It's not what you think it is. In the next few minutes I'll break down exactly how this works, show you the one mistake that could actually cost you money. Before we go into the pay-as-you-go update, let's quickly cover how Biela's token system actually works, because if you don't understand that, the rest won't really make that much sense. Every time you interact with Biela, whether you're generating new code, asking it to refactor something, or building out a new feature, you're using tokens. Think of tokens as the fuel that powers the AI. Different actions consume different amounts of tokens. A simple code fix? Maybe a few thousand tokens. Building an entire component from scratch could be between a few hundreds of thousands, between millions of tokens, depending on complexity. But here's the key thing. Every Biela plan comes with a monthly token allowance. That's basically your budget for that month. Once you use those tokens up, you basically need more to keep building. And that's exactly where the new update comes in. Okay, so first things first. Biela's core pricing hasn't changed. You still get a fixed bucket of tokens every month. That part's the same. Here's what's new. When you burn through your monthly tokens, you don't need to upgrade the entire plan anymore. Instead, you can buy more tokens on the spot. Think of it as buying more data for your phone plan while you're traveling. It's simple, flexible, and honestly, this is what the community wanted since day one. Now here's the problem this solves. Let's say you're on the Launchpad plan. Most months, it's perfect. But then you have one bigger project that requires more juice. Maybe you're building something larger. Maybe you're trying a new feature, or maybe you're working on a rush client project. Before this update, you could buy tokens in bulk, millions at a time. But here's the problem. You never know how many tokens your project will need until you're done. So you'll basically end up in this very annoying cycle of building, running out of tokens, stopping to go buy more tokens, return to your project, continue building, running out of tokens again, stop to get more tokens again, and you got the main idea. It killed your momentum and broke your flow. Now, pay-as-you-go just handles it automatically. You stay in the zone, keep building, and Biela takes care of the rest. This makes your costs more predictable, it's way smoother, and honestly, it actually makes more sense. Alright, this is where people get confused. Biela's pay-as-you-go is not a standalone plan. First, you sign up. Then you pick a base plan, Launchpad, Creator Plus or Pro. Use your included tokens every month, and when you run out, buy more tokens using pay-as-you-go pricing. That's it. It's super simple once you understand the basic structure. Think of it like this. Your monthly plan is your car. Pay-as-you-go is the fuel for that road trip that you didn't plan for. So how much does these extra tokens actually cost? Each plan comes with tokens built in. For example, the Launchpad has 10 million tokens. The Creator Plus has around 24 million tokens. For Visionary Pro, the amount of tokens is extremely high, or basically unlimited style usage for heavy builders. When you need more, Biela shows you a price per million tokens. Usually it's just a few bucks. You click, you pay, tokens show up instantly. There are no hidden fees, no forced upgrades, and no unpleasant surprises on your credit card. If your usage fluctuates from month to month, this is a game changer. Okay, so how do you actually pick the right plan for your workflow? Here is my simple framework. If you're building small projects occasionally, start with Launchpad. Use pay-as-you-go to cover those occasionally random busy weeks, and this will help you keep the costs low. If you're working on multiple apps or doing client work, then you can use Creator Plus. That will give you enough breathing room that you won't constantly need to think about tokens. This is the sweet spot for most people. On the other hand, if you're building daily or running an agency, Visionary Pro removes that mental overhead completely. You just build without worrying. Now, here's the strategy that I personally recommend. Start small and let pay-as-you-go absorb the spikes. only upgrade when your usage becomes constantly higher month to month. Alright, by now you should have a crystal clear picture of how Biela's token system actually works, what this pay-as-you-go update really does for you, how to avoid overpaying for tokens that you don't actually need, and which subscription plan actually fits the way you build. No confusion, no guesswork. This is just a smarter way of using Biela.dev. If this cleared things up for you, drop a comment and let me know what plan you're using. I'm curious to see where most people land. And if you want more beginner-friendly breakdown of AI coding tools like Biela.dev, hit that subscribe button. I'm actually breaking down everything you need to actually build with these tools, not just hype them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.